starting out with Wave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to be cooking up some sweet golden wings in the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. These sweet golden wings are my favorite wings. I've never made them before on camera, but I'm going to make them up for you now, and so let's get started. Alright, so here I've got my frozen wing sections, and for the sauce that I'll be heating up while these are doing their initial cook, I use some Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Golden Mustard barbecue sauce. This is a no tomato barbecue sauce. It's got a mustard base and it tastes great on wings, I'm telling you. If the store you usually go to doesn't carry it, you might have to go to another one. Not everyone carries this stuff, but it's good stuff. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Also going to be using a 1/4 cup of butter in the mixture. I'm just going to be heating up the sauce and the butter in the saucepan while these are doing their initial cooking. So I'm going to get myself some wings out and set them onto the air fryer basket for my Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. Alright, so I've gotten 12 wings into the air fryer basket here. With the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven, you always use the baking pan underneath. For your cooker, you know, you do it the way that it's prescribed for your cooker. But basically from this point, I'm just going to put them into the air fryer toaster oven on the upper rack. This only has 2 racks, upper and lower, so it's on the upper rack. Now I'm going to turn it on just to press the button there. And I can just press the air fry button to go right into the air fry menu. And I'm going down into wings. That is set automatically for 400 degrees 25 minutes, but I've got frozen wings, so I hit the defrost button. Goes up to 35 minutes, 400 degrees. So that's pretty reasonable. Going to hit start. I'm going to go ahead and let those cook for now and bring you back in a bit. Alright, so 20 minutes have passed. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, and things auto pause when you open the door, which is pretty nice. So here are our wings. This is just 20 minutes with that defrost button. You can see they're getting pretty well cooked already. I'm just trying to get a good hold on it so I can flip them. Alright, sticking them on back in. Close up. It just continues to automatically cook. So I'll let it cook for those last 15 minutes and then bring you on back. Alright, it's been just 30 minutes, but I'm going to test these wings temperature out anyway because they look really done to me. I'm just going to stick a meat probe in one, see what happens. So that probe is in there and it's reading 90, 100, 111. I mean, it's flying up, 130s, 140s. Let's see where it goes. 165, we're cooked. We're at 178, 182. So they're done already. 30 minutes, they're done. That's faster than most other cookers that I've used to cook up a bunch of wings. So they're cooked. Now this is the part where I do something a little, I guess, unconventional. And it's your choice if you want to do it. I will say if you do it, things will be messier to clean up if that's your choice. But I like to put mine in the sauce, and after I swish them around the sauce, I put them back up here and cook them for about another 5 minutes, which is the amount of time that I have left on the clock there. So, you know, it's up to you if you want to do that, because it does create some extra mess. It just does help seep that flavor in a little better, in my opinion, to cook it in. So I'm just going to switch these around a bit in the sauce. Get a little air. I do have to keep the door open on this cooker when I want to keep the timer paused while I'm doing things, because if I close it, it'll start counting down, and then I've got to like turn the time back up and all that whatnot. So I do keep it open while I'm doing any work on anything. So I'm going to put the 12 wings back now. Alright, got my wings in there, gonna close up now. I will mention that before anything is fully cooked, I do wash the utensils after every use until things are confirmed fully well done. So gonna let those run for 5 minutes, I'll bring you right back. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of the cook as it counts down. And so it's done. You hear how nice that beep is? It's not an extra loud, excessive beep. It's just a nice, cool beep. So our wings are all done. Things are real hot in there. That sauce has been super baked in, or super air fried in, I should say. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Alright, so now I put them back into the sauce. Give them another run. I mean, this thing cooks so fast, I probably should have done maybe 3 minutes. I mean, this cooker impresses me. It does better than others that I've worked with as far as heating things up quick. Those 4 heating elements on the top with that air fry fan on the top. I mean, it's like a super cooker. I'm really impressed. So going to slosh these around in that sauce one more time. Give them a little air breathe. Gotta let them breathe for a second because that steam builds up in there. You don't want things popping out. So I open it for a moment just to let things breathe every now and then. Alright, there's the finished product. Have a look at that. They taste delicious, I'm telling you. Alright, I'm just going to plate a couple. I'll just plate a few for the look of it. Alright, now I'll get the camera swapped and we'll do a taste test. Alright, here are our wings. They look good. Let's give them a taste. Like I said, my favorite wings right there. They taste great. This cooker is really impressing me. It knocks stuff out fast. It cooks hot. It doesn't play. So, like I said, not sponsored. That's my honest opinion. And if you want to see this and other recipes, check out superwaveovenrecipes.com. Also, if you ever want to get directly to this YouTube channel, waveovenrecipes.com. And also, Twitter and Instagram, also Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.